Thokozani bogogo nomkhulisa likasendoda lesugogo bathini bathi umavula kuvala emzini amadoda. Your number one locksmith. I don't know. I'm tempted to reveal the best healer that not even God can be compared with. Not even ancestors can be compared with. I'm saying this for the fact. And I know if it happens, if you allow me to reveal that person, because it's a person. It's nothing else. Ukuthi mhlambe I'll be telling you about your ancestor, or go and read scriptures bani and everything. And probably it's a person that you know, but you have never really thought ukuthi maybe you underestimated them. Maybe they are not as popular as you thought. And if you do allow me to reveal that healer, yes, I know for a fact ukuthi it's gonna cut people coming to me, those who would like to come to me, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I think my purpose of my content in this channel is to inform, to educate, to advise. That's it. It's not a personal channel. The same as Good Goals channel. It's nothing personal. It's just a channel in general. We can educate people. Obviously, Good Goals, I also use myself as an example so that people, they can understand what I'm nothing but only a human. So I don't know, you'll tell me, Oguti, you really, really, really want me to reveal the healer. It's Coco. It's Coco. I've been to many places. Your India, your Gabon, your Ghana, your Asian countries. I've traveled. SADC, I've traveled the entire SADC. But I'm ready. Tell me.